Aloha! Welcome back to my Hula course. Today we'll learn how to do Kaholo, our second step. In this lecture, I'll show you both good and bad example of Kaholo, and then let's work it out together with the ipu drum beat. To get started, let's make basic hula posture. Kaholo step is basically making 2 steps to your right and left. Let's start from your right side. First, make a step to your right, but your hip is still on your left side. Sway your hips to your right and close your feet together. Again, step, sway your hips, and tap your toe. Now, same thing for the other side. Step, sway, close, step, sway, tap. Now, these are the bad examples. Not moving your hips at all, or making the move too sharp. Key point in Kaholo: always tap your toe as you make 2 steps to your right. Tap, 2 steps to your left, and tap. This helps you to count the step properly. Now I'll show you how it goes with the ipu drum beat. 1, 2 and tap. 3, 4 and tap. 5, 6, tap. 7, 8, tap. Now let's try together. You can start with your own timings. Great work! Now let us review Kaholo once again. First, make a basic posture. Second, make 2 steps to your right and 2 steps to your left. Sway your hips while you make the steps. Don't forget to tap your toe as you make 2 steps to your side. Mahalo and see you in my next video.